Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to fix Discord app is not working in iPhone problem. So the very first fix is force close and reopen. Close the Discord app completely. If you are using it, close it completely and then reopen it. If the issue is resolved, then okay. If not, then we'll move to second. The second fix is check for updates. For this, open App Store and search for Discord. And if there are any, tap on Discord, and if there are any update available, just tap on update and update it. The third fix is offload and reinstall app. For this, go to settings. After reaching settings, go to general, iPhone storage, and from here locate and tap on Discord, tap on offload app and simply offload it. Now tap on reinstall again, and this will reinstall your app. The fourth fix is disable VPN. If you have a VPN enabled, disable it. Try using Discord again. The issue can also be sometimes happen because of VPN. And the fifth fix is toggle airplane mode on and then turn it off. Turn on for a few seconds, then turn it on again. If these fixes does not fix your problem, the last and least fix should be check Discord server status. Simply check server status. For example, just simply type Discord server status and check if Discord server are experiencing any downtime or anything. If their server are down, wait for them to be restored. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.